Hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today's project is right here. We're going to assemble a garden bench. I'll show you a picture of it right now. Alright, so let's get it out of the box and we'll see what the parts look like. Okay, so here's the seat laid out on a flat surface, and you can see it's got this kind of bend up like that. This is the front and this is the back, and you can see here's the one arm or leg, I should say, and it matches that pattern there. So they give you these to put it together. There's 4 shorter ones and 4 longer ones. Shorter ones go in here. Here's one. And 2. It turns out that you can use a bit that you normally use on drywall, not drywall, but kind of outdoor star screws. That fits in there, so you can use that. That speeds it up just a little bit. And there we go. That's one leg attached. And now we'll put the back on, I think. All right, so here's the back right here. And I've just set it on a box there just to get it up close to the right height to put the screws in. And it's 2 longer ones that go in there. So, because I can balance it on this box, I don't have to lift it up. It's kind of heavy. The back is, that is. And again, so this is one of the long ones. And here's another one. And we'll use our drill again. Oops. There we go. So that's got the back and the bottom attached to one side. I think the simplest way to do the second part is I've just laid it down so that it's sitting on this pre-assembled on the bottom, and it's sort of balanced. And here's the top that we're going to assemble right now. So this is just sitting on here loosely. And we'll put our 2 short screws in first. Just get them started. And then we'll put our 2 long screws in. Doesn't look like it's going to fit there, but it's just sort of angled funny. There's 1. There's 2. And we'll tighten them all up. Okay, that's all assembled. Now they also give these little buttons to go over the top of the screws. So we'll do that next. Let me suggest too that once you get it up on its feet, I loosened these again so that everything settles so that it's in this position. So the feet are all nice and solid. When I put it together before, it's in an odd kind of configuration, and it can, these have a little bit of movement in them. So if you just loosen them when they're in this position, the regular, when the final resting place, if you might, get everything level, and then go ahead and tighten them up again. Hope that makes sense. And you want to do this before you put the buttons on, by the way, obviously. Okay, we'll do that on the other side, and then we'll get the buttons on. All right, turns out you don't want to make these too tight, or they won't clip on there. So if I got it out far enough now. Nope, still got to take it out a little bit farther. So don't get them too tight, I guess. That's the rule here. There we go. Huh. Well, that one didn't want to go on there. See if this one will go on. Nope. Let's try loosening it up even more. I hate to get it too loose. Okay, now it goes on. Yep, so they have to be out pretty far to get them on there. All right, a little solution here is put a washer in there. I would suggest that, actually, because the metal dents in. I don't know if you can see it on the video here, but it dents in, and I suspect that over time, as this keeps getting loaded, this is going to push on this soft. This is hollow here, so this metal will deform, and the screw will be looser and looser. So better to have a little bit of support with a washer. So I had some of these already painted washers, the dark ones, but if you can, get a hold of some. And by the way, that means these little caps can go on there too, because now they'll fit on there. So that's it assembled. Let's put it into place, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here it is, fully assembled and out. Probably where we'll have it, and it looks very nice. Here's the other one that we have, kind of a little conversation corner here. But it turned out great. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and good luck on your projects. And hopefully your bench comes together nicely and looks good in your yard. Bye!